Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I will show admins how to reset an individual user's two-factor authentication. After logging in, please go to the second tab, Manager and Associates, search for the employee's name. When you have found them, please click on the three dots and then click on the Reset Two-Factor Authentication, which will bring up this pop-up box, and then click Yes, Reset Settings. Once that is done, the user's 2FA has been reset, and upon their next login, they will be required to set up 2FA again. And just as a reminder, VerifyiQ recommends either Authy or Google Authenticator. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified of any new videos. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments box down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.